What's up, guys? It's KhoPhi here. I think we all know Amazon and we also know DHL. So Amazon is an online shopping platform, DHL delivers items. What if we could have these two giants work together to serve Africa? That's what I talk about in this video. So let's get right to it. Recently, DHL with their eShop platform allows people to buy items from Amazon and have it delivered to them in Ghana. So DHL eShop is actually powered behind the scenes by Monopod for Africa. Now, with their current service, what happens is you put an item in your cart, you use their Chrome extension to proceed to checkout, and then you make the payment on DHL's website. Now, this is pretty fantastic and currently works amazing. So I've ordered a few items using this process. You can see my previous videos about using this service and some of the items I've bought with the DHL eShop. You can find a link to the videos in the description below, just below the like button. Here's where it can get more interesting and Amazon and Monopod for Africa can take it a step up. What if, whilst we buy item on Amazon, say it could be the African version of Amazon, we are able to check out and select Monopod for Africa as the shipping address. Now, hold on a second. So currently, when you're buying items on Amazon, what happens is you select your items, you put it into your cart, and then you proceed to checkout. So at the checkout stage, you need to provide the address you want Amazon to deliver the package to. Now, with what I'm saying, that address you give to Amazon to deliver your item, instead of putting in your own address, you rather check a box saying Monopod for Africa or DHL eShop, whatever it can be. And then Amazon will deliver the item to whatever address behind the scenes that DHL receive items they buy on their platform, where they send it to. When that happens, then you can proceed to make your order added into the DHL system and make its related payments on the DHL platform, so that when the item reaches DHL, they can correspond it to something that it's already in their system and paid for by you, the same person. Let's visualize it. You go through your checkout and then it's time to pay. Now, you need to select the address where you want the item delivered to. Once you select the address, there is another option indicating Monopod for Africa or DHL eShop or whatever they might put there. When you select that, it means Amazon is going to deliver the item to DHL behind the scenes. We don't need to see the address. It can be behind the scenes. The partnership, they know what is going on. They know where to deliver the item to. After placing your order on Amazon, you definitely get a receipt or order code or something related to whatever you ordered that you can track your order. So that order, you go back to DHL's website and then submit that detail plus any related amounts to whatever item you bought. They can process that with the shipping and the handling and stuff like that. All can be processed for you. So you pay the amount on DHL's website, the eShop. After payment, then you are certain that when your item reaches the address you gave to Amazon, when you check the Monopod for Africa or eShop, when your item gets to that destination, the DHL guys can correspond your order with whatever item came and know where to deliver what to. So why all this? Why am I hoping and looking forward to a solution like that? Currently, what happens is when you want to buy items on Amazon, you take the link and put it on DHL's website. Basically, it takes the item from your cart and then you continue the processing on DHL's website, which means you are not buying the items yourself. So you cannot enjoy any discounts or any coupons or any benefits that might come from using your own Amazon account. DHL is basically behind the scenes, more like the middleman handling all of that. But with this suggestion, basically you will buy the item with your own account. All you have to do is select what address you want it to be, and this can happen with a partnership between both organizations, so Amazon and More for Africa. More for Africa and DHL eShop, or whichever they want to use, is the delivery guys. I am hoping to see this partnership happen. I don't know how complex or difficult it will be. I'm hoping it's not that complex to implement. It doesn't have to be an option for the global Amazon audience. It can be something tailored specifically for the African market, because I think More for Africa delivers items specifically to African countries. So that can be a service tailored to the African continent specifically, which means those visiting Amazon and trying to buy items are not going to see this option. But Africans are going to have that option and be able to select More for Africa as the destination address. That would make it easier for customers to actually buy the items and have those items credited to their own account, which can lead them to enjoying other benefits when it comes to buying items on Amazon. So this is the thought behind what I'm trying to say, and I'm hoping something like that could happen, because it will make buying items online easier. We don't have to worry about delivery, and it will be seamlessly built into the Amazon checkout for African customers specifically, so that the whole hassle related to trying to deliver items from Amazon to Africa will be reduced and will be non-existent. So that's my thought related to that. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this, and whether it's something that it might be useful, or you've also had similar thoughts about that. Share with me. I want to hear what you're thinking. You can leave them in the comments below. So that's it for this video. I hope somebody at DHL eShop or Amazon gets to see this video and put it into a thought process and see if that can happen. Thank you for joining me in this one. My name is KhoPhi. If this is your first time coming around to this channel, make sure to check around other videos I have. I make tech videos every week, so make sure to check them out, and make sure to click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any upcoming uploads. Thank you, and we'll hope to see you in the next one. Bye.